Welcome to this presentation on polyhedral points, QP points, and Q points. This research was conducted by M. Vimal Kumar et al. And published in 1st August 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. This study investigates the intricate geometric properties of Banach spaces, focusing on polyhedral points and their relationships with QP points and Q points. Our theoretical contribution establishes a precise hierarchy among these point-wise properties, relaxing the assumption of direct equivalence often implicitly considered in prior work. Specifically, we demonstrate that a QP point is strictly stronger than a polyhedral point, which in turn is strictly stronger than a Q point. This work also characterizes ghetto smoothness locally at a polyhedral point, providing a condition for its existence. Our methodology relies on rigorous analytical proofs, starting with precise definitions for QP points, Q points, and polyhedral points at a unit sphere element U. A key finding is the established implication chain in Theorem 2.7. A QP point at U implies polyhedrality at U, which in turn implies U is a Q point. This proof leverages the equivalence that polyhedrality at U holds, if and only if the set of directions with positive line segment length x in S underscore x L underscore ux greater than 0 is closed, as shown in Theorem 2.5. Our primary result, Theorem 2.16, demonstrates that if the closed unit ball B underscore x is weakly polyhedral at U and U is a Q point, then B underscore x is polyhedral at U. This finding is a significant conditional strengthening of the Q point to polyhedral point implication, which otherwise does not hold generally, as noted in Remark 2.17. Furthermore, Theorem 3.7 characterizes ghetto smoothness at a polyhedral point U. The norm of X is ghetto smooth at U, if and only if U resides within the relative interior of a maximal face of B underscore X. This result provides a local criterion for smoothness, extending prior global characterizations. While we established a clear hierarchy, the converses do not hold universally. Remark 2.9 cites Fonf and Wesley 13, demonstrating that a polyhedral point need not be a QP point, thus breaking the reverse implication from polyhedrality to QP points. Similarly, Remark 2.17 shows that a Q point does not necessarily imply polyhedrality, as strictly convex spaces are Q spaces, but lack polyhedral points. However, in two-dimensional normed linear spaces, Theorem 2.21 establishes a full equivalence. B underscore x is polyhedral at U, if and only if U is a QP point, simplifying the relationships in this specific setting. In summary, this research precisely delineates the relationships between QP points, polyhedral points, and Q points, establishing a strict implication chain where a QP point is stronger than a polyhedral point, which is stronger than a Q point. We identified that the converse from a Q point to a polyhedral point holds under the additional condition of weak polyhedrality, as shown in Theorem 2.16. Furthermore, we provided a local characterization for ghetto smoothness at a polyhedral point, linking it to the relative interior of a maximal face. These findings contribute to a more nuanced understanding of local geometric properties in Banach spaces.